Hey guys, this is Poornima and in this video I'll talk about the air pollutants and I will also tell about the solutions and programs running to combat this pollutants problem. So if you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends. First is carbon monoxide. So it is a colorless and odorless gas which lowers the amount of oxygen that enters our blood and also slow down or reflexes. The sources of this carbon monoxide are vehicle exhaust, kerosene or wood burning, smoking, etc. And health effects due to this carbon monoxide is headache, reduced mental alertness, cardiovascular diseases, fatigue, etc. Then talking about the next air pollutant is sulfur dioxide. It is a colorless gas that dissolves in water to form acid and interact with other gaseous particles. It also contributes to the formation of acid rain, low visibility, and plant damage. The main sources of sulfur dioxides are coal fired thermal power plants. 57% in India are thermal power plants. Then petroleum refineries. India is the largest importer and exporter of these refineries, and also the manufacturing of sulfuric acid. The health effects due to this are eye irritation, shortness of breath, chest tightness or pain, lung damage. The next is nitrogen dioxide, NO2. So it is a reddish brown and highly effective gas or reactive that contribute to acid rain in global warming and also reduces the visibility. The main sources of this NO2 are motor vehicles, electric utility vehicles and residential burning of fuel, kerosene, wood, etc. And health effects due to this are respiratory infection, difficulty in breathing, chest, pain, cough, etc. Then talking about ozone, it is a gaseous pollutant when it is formed in troposphere. In upper atmosphere, it works as a shield for UV rays. The main source of this ozone is vehicle exhaust, and the main health effects due to this are eye and throat irritation, coughing, asthma, lung damage, etc. And then the other important air pollutant is lead. It is a metallic element which affects animals, plants and aquatic ecosystem. The main sources of this are leaded petrol, diesel, battery, hair dyes, etc. And the health effects due to this lead is high blood pressure, brain and kidney damage, neurological disorder and lower IQ level. Then the next is particulates matter. Very small particles of soot, dust or other matter which reduces the visibility. The main sources of this particulates matter are diesel engine, power plants, wood stoves, etc. And the main health issues due to this are eye irritation, asthma, lung damage, cancer, fly ash, or basically the flue ash. It is produced whenever combustion of solid material takes place. It comprises of fine particles and tends to travel far in air. The constituent of fly ash depends on types of coal used, but generally it consists of aluminium silicate, silicon dioxide and calcium oxide. While earlier fly ash was allowed to be released into the atmosphere, which is a major environmental concern. Later on it is used for disposed of in the landfills and ash ponds, which has its own problems. Now talking about some features of fly ash, so it is basically a brick compulsorily used in toilets under Clean India mission. It is costlier, more strength and lightweight than normal bricks and can be used in replacing cement. It is an eco-friendly brick and it maintains the temperature of those buildings where it is used. Now talking about some advantages of fly ash. So cement can be replaced by fly ash up to 35%, thus reducing the cost of construction. Fly ash is a better fill material for roads embankment. Fly ash can be used in reclamation of wasteland. Then a fly ash can be used to fill the abundant mine, and most importantly fly ash can increase the crop yield in small unit and it also enhances the water holding capacity of the land. Now urban heat island effects. Central area of large cities are warmer than rural areas surrounding the cities. Such areas are called urban heat island, and they result from the following causes. A significant amount of light and radiation is absorbed by the dark and tall buildings. This is reflected back as the heat which warms the air. Then often there are no trees and other vegetations that can provide the evaporation cooling. And also heat is also released in the air by vehicles, ACs and generators. Along with the heat, pollutants are also released into the atmosphere, lowering the air quality in the urban heat islands. National Air Quality Monitoring Program (NAMP). CPCB is executing a nationwide national air quality monitoring program. The network consists of 342 operating stations. This need to be marked. Okay. Then the objectives of NAMP are: first, to determine status and trend of ambient air quality. Second, identify non-attainment cities. Third, obtain knowledge and understanding for developing prevention and collective measures. And at the end, understand the natural cleaning process going on in the environment. So NAQI, National Air Quality Index, was developed by IIT Kanpur and was launched in 2015. NAQI considered 8 pollutants, including PM10, PM2.5, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, ozone, ammonia, and lead, for which NAQI is prescribed. These 8 pollutants are very important for any exam. Then National Air Quality Index has basically 6 categories. So first is good. So if the concentration is between 0 to 50 ppm parts per minute, then it is a good. Then if the concentration is between 51 to 100 ppm, then it is satisfactory. Then if the concentration is between 101 to 200 ppm, then it is moderate. Then if the concentration is between 201 to 300 ppm, then it is poor. And if the concentration is between 301 to 400 ppm, then it is very poor. While if the concentration is between 401 to 500 ppm, then it is a severe. So that's all for today. We will meet in the next video.